初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the check-in desk?
Where is the check-in desk?
值机柜台在哪里？
Where is the check-in desk?
Where is the check-in desk?
I have an early flight.
I have an early flight.
我有一班早班飞机。
I have an early flight.
I have an early flight.
What time is boarding?
What time is boarding?
什么时候登机？
What time is boarding?
What time is boarding?
Where's the departure hall?
Where's the departure hall?
出发大厅在哪里？
Where's the departure hall?
Where's the departure hall?
Is this the right terminal?
Is this the right terminal?
这是正确的航站楼吗？
Is this the right terminal?
Is this the right terminal?
I need to find gate 12.
I need to find gate 12.
我需要找到12号登机口。
I need to find gate 12.
I need to find gate 12.
Where is international check-in?
Where is international check-in?
国际航班值机在哪里？
Where is international check-in?
Where is international check-in?
Where can I get a trolley?
Where can I get a trolley?
我在哪里可以拿到手推车？
Where can I get a trolley?
Where can I get a trolley?
My flight is at 8 a.m.
My flight is at 8 a.m.
我的航班在早上8点。
My flight is at 8 a.m.
My flight is at 8 a.m.
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
要等多久？
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
I want to check in.
I want to check in.
我想办理登机手续。
I want to check in.
I want to check in.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
这是我的护照。
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
I booked online already.
I booked online already.
我已经在网上预订了。
I booked online already.
I booked online already.
I need a boarding pass.
I need a boarding pass.
我需要一张登机牌。
I need a boarding pass.
I need a boarding pass.
How many bags allowed?
How many bags allowed?
允许带多少行李？
How many bags allowed?
How many bags allowed?
I want a window seat.
I want a window seat.
我想要一个靠窗的座位。
I want a window seat.
I want a window seat.
This is my carry-on.
This is my carry-on.
这是我的随身行李。
This is my carry-on.
This is my carry-on.
Please tag this bag.
Please tag this bag.
请给这个行李贴上标签。
Please tag this bag.
Please tag this bag.
Is this overweight?
Is this overweight?
这个超重了吗？
Is this overweight?
Is this overweight?
Can I bring this on board?
Can I bring this on board?
我可以带上飞机吗？
Can I bring this on board?
Can I bring this on board?
Where's the security check?
Where's the security check?
安检在哪里？
Where's the security check?
Where's the security check?
Take off your shoes, please.
Take off your shoes, please.
请脱鞋。
Take off your shoes, please.
Take off your shoes, please.
Do I need to remove liquids?
Do I need to remove liquids?
我需要取出液体吗？
Do I need to remove liquids?
Do I need to remove liquids?
Can I keep my laptop in?
Can I keep my laptop in?
我可以把笔记本电脑放在包里吗？
Can I keep my laptop in?
Can I keep my laptop in?
Step through the scanner.
Step through the scanner.
走过扫描仪。
Step through the scanner.
Step through the scanner.
Is this allowed on board?
Is this allowed on board?
这个可以带上飞机吗？
Is this allowed on board?
Is this allowed on board?
When does boarding start?
When does boarding start?
什么时候开始登机？
When does boarding start?
When does boarding start?
Where's the boarding gate?
Where's the boarding gate?
登机口在哪里？
Where's the boarding gate?
Where's the boarding gate?
My gate number changed.
My gate number changed.
我的登机口号码变了。
My gate number changed.
My gate number changed.
Why is the flight delayed?
Why is the flight delayed?
为什么航班延误了？
Why is the flight delayed?
Why is the flight delayed?
Please scan your boarding pass.
Please scan your boarding pass.
请扫描您的登机牌。
Please scan your boarding pass.
Please scan your boarding pass.
Where is my seat?
Where is my seat?
我的座位在哪里？
Where is my seat?
Where is my seat?
Can I switch seats?
Can I switch seats?
我可以换座位吗？
Can I switch seats?
Can I switch seats?
I need help with luggage.
I need help with luggage.
我需要帮忙拿行李。
I need help with luggage.
I need help with luggage.
Is there Wi-Fi on board?
Is there Wi-Fi on board?
飞机上有 WiFi 吗？
Is there Wi-Fi on board?
Is there Wi-Fi on board?
Can I get water?
Can I get water?
我可以要水吗？
Can I get water?
Can I get water?
I feel a bit nervous.
I feel a bit nervous.
我有点紧张。
I feel a bit nervous.
I feel a bit nervous.
When will we land?
When will we land?
我们什么时候降落？
When will we land?
When will we land?
Thanks for the flight.
Thanks for the flight.
谢谢这次飞行。
Thanks for the flight.
Thanks for the flight.
Have a safe journey.
Have a safe journey.
一路平安。
Have a safe journey.
Have a safe journey.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。